basically this is what's happening. I got to leave for my technical training for 6 months. And yeah, what does that mean for the YouTube channel? Well, guys, let me explain. So to start this off, basically what this means for the YouTube channel right now, as far as I know, because honestly, I don't really know too much about what I'm going to be doing when I'm there at training, is that yes, I will still be able to try to make videos, but I just don't know how many is the main thing. I don't really know if I'm going to be able to still kind of have the upload frequency that I have right now, you know, the 3 videos a week, the streams every week. I just don't know. So that's the first thing that I have to figure out. And meanwhile, in Dogland, look at Bella. Come on, little girl. Look, here she is hanging on for dear life. She's got it. Come on, Bells, you got it.
You're doing it to yourself.
What is she doing? She trying to get underneath that? Bells, come on. Oh, Bella. Hi. It's okay. Call her. Alex, call her to you. She'll come to you. Come on, Bells. You got it. Oh, no, she got it. She got it. Good girl. Look at, let's go. Look at her go. Oh, man. And look, I know this is already starting to sound like a bit of a negative thing, but trust me, like, the school that I'm going to is like the Air Forces and Armies and basically the military's videography and photography school. So basically it's not just going to make me a better videographer, photographer, but like it's going to completely expand my skill set, and it's really just a positive thing for me overall. So it's only just going to make me better at what I do here on YouTube. So pretty much you guys can think of this as just me going to school to get better at what I do for you guys. And so I can make my content a little bit better, because they're going to teach me stuff like better story writing, storytelling, all that kind of thing. So it's honestly just a more positive thing for me as I see it right now. So hopefully you guys can see that as well. Also, speaking of positive, check out this view I'm looking at right here. Ooh, that is nice. And there's my dog chasing a squirrel or something. Very nice. And there goes the other one. But look at this little landscape we got right here. Super nice looking. Plus, another thing, you guys, is this will basically be a whole nother adventure for me and for you guys, and I'll be able to take you guys along with me. And all it's gonna do is pretty much just make my content a little bit more fresh. And you know, new things are good, right? So And so with that stuff in mind, hopefully you guys can understand that maybe the content that I'm going to be making while I'm gone might just be shifting to like some kind of vlogs sometimes, and then maybe even telling you guys about like how my military life is and stuff like that. She'll like to see that because she never gets to see that kind of stuff. But like, you know, maybe you guys will too. If you guys are interested in that, leave it in the comments below, let me know. And on that note, just like this river behind me, we're going to just let things flow, and we're just going to keep on going with it, and hopefully you guys enjoy what's going to be coming to you. And of course, you guys already know that I'm going to try my best to keep putting out that fire content. Oh, hey, woo. hey, gotta spray the pan before we put on the steaks, you know what I mean? All right, so here we go. Alex wanted a fire, so check this out. Quick Boy Scout lesson for you guys. Check this stuff out. This moss right here, wonderful stuff to start a fire with. If you can't find it on the floor, or on the ground, I mean, you can find it on trees too, this stuff right here. Grab this off a tree and get yourself a nice bundle of it. And I'll show you guys what I'm about to do next. Now we should have enough wood to just stack on top of it when we're ready, but let's light this moss on fire and I'll show you what I'm talking about. If it wants to catch, look at that stuff. It just goes up in flames every time. It's pretty awesome. It might burn out, but you know, you see what I'm talking about. We gotta get it to catch and we gotta get all this stuff to burn. That's the main goal. Pretty cool, huh? Once this all catches, if some of this wood might be a little bit wet, but look, there we go. We got a flame. Nice. Ranger Rick did exactly what he's supposed to do. Look at that. Now we got fire. Beautiful. Meanwhile, Alex is just chilling by the hot tub. Yeah, and I built fire. And now that we got a fire started, I also wanted to go ahead and just put a huge shout out and thank you to all of you out there in the Visuals fam and people that have just subscribed and whatnot and just started watching my videos, because without you guys, wouldn't have a channel and stuff like that, and I wouldn't be doing this obviously, because with your support and you guys commenting constantly and telling me how much you like my videos, it keeps me going and whatnot. It makes me even more want to make these videos while I'm gone, and it makes me want to keep going basically. So that's even why I'm doing this video and explaining this whole thing to you guys, because I care about each and every one of you, and I want you guys, you know, to know, and I want to be super transparent and let you guys know what is happening with the whole, you know, channel situation and all that. So again, I hope all of you understand my situation and are able to, you know, come along with me in this new adventure and have a good time. And hopefully you enjoy the new content that I'll be putting out.
Tomorrow.
Bye, Kevin.
Bye.
Oh, that was so fun, wasn't it? Bye-bye. And here we are, back on the road, back home once again. Okay. All right, and now we are back home. So yeah, that was a fun little trip. Hopefully you guys enjoyed seeing the little Leavenworth trip between with Alex and my dogs and everything like that. We had a really good time. So now that we're back, let me go ahead and address a couple of things from the video that I've been talking about. So there's a lot of unknowns so far, right? So what do I know about what I'm doing? The first thing I know is that I will be gone for 6 months. That's the first thing I do know. Other thing that I will be in like a dorm room type situation, probably will have a roommate, all that kind of stuff. Once I get there, I will do my best to try to show you guys and, you know, introduce you to like my new world and all that kind of stuff and show you what I brought with me and all that kind of thing. And guys, I want to reiterate, I will still be able to make videos. I just don't, my main concern here is I just don't know how much or like how many. So, or in like what kind of content I'm going to be able to create with what gear and, you know, like the situation of my room. You know, because if I have a roommate and stuff like that, I can't exactly sit here like I'm doing right now and talk to you guys in the camera without annoying somebody. So I may have to figure out how to do that maybe, you know, when my roommate's gone or whatever. And I mean, I could possibly not even have a roommate. That is a possibility. So I just don't know a lot of these things, you guys. So that's why I wanted to make this video, to kind of just throw this all out there and, you know, see what you guys felt like. You know, leave your comments down below. Let me know what you guys think about this whole situation. And, you know, maybe if you guys are in the service as well, you guys have had a similar experience with something else in your life, you know, let me know. Or if you guys are thinking about doing it, you know, hey, maybe you guys will enjoy going on this little journey with me and seeing how it affects me and how, you know, I grow from this. So overall, guys, it's going to be a positive experience. It's just another adventure in my life as I see it. And, you know, it's just another reason, like I said before, for me to take you guys with me and show you guys something pretty cool, hopefully. So that's going to do it for this video. I'm just going to go ahead and end it right here. If you guys have any more questions about what's going on, leave in the comments like I said. But as always, guys, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and leave it a like. And if you want to stay up on the content that I'm going to be creating, hopefully, make sure you guys can subscribe to the channel and put those notifications on so you don't miss any of the videos when I do start to post them, because there could be like a little lapse in my content just depending on the training. And then once I start being able to post videos again, you guys will know right away. So turn those notifications on. But anyway, guys, I'll see you later. I think by the time you guys see this, I will probably either be traveling there, I will already be there. So yeah, if you guys want to, you know, if you guys want to be nice and drop me a little good luck down in the bottom, you know, just go ahead and do that. I'd appreciate that. Anyway, I'm rambling. Goodbye.